It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be picking up a few more pairs of these. Y'all already know what today is. Today's release day for the Biohack Jordan 1 highs. So I'm going to go get, obviously I've already seen these in hand now. And I had to get these first to see if I wanted to make sure that I wanted to have my own personal pair. And after seeing these in hand, I got to go to the mall and pick up my other pair. So that's what we're going to do. If you want to roll with me, stick around. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're growing daily. And I keep telling you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm going to start putting your comments from other videos in my videos. So if you see any popping up right now, it's from other videos that I appreciate you guys, man. I just wanted to show love back to you. So that's enough rambling. That's enough of this intro. Let's get to the mall. Look at these biohacks. Get a full review. Alright, y'all see what it is once again. On our way in here to see if we can get this 10.5 out of here. I actually hit on 4 pairs of biohacks. Hit on a 5, 6.5, 9.5, and a 10.5. I just got lucky this release. Good luck to everybody that's dealing with that headache and hassle online. But we're gonna get in the mall and try to pull this 10.5 out of here. Alright, y'all see what it is. Like I said, JD Sports came through clutch again. I'm under the impression that these are probably pretty limited. I know I said I hit on 4 pairs, which I did, but I put in 4 tickets at JD, and they're usually really, really good with blessing me, but I only hit on 1 pair. So I thought I would at least hit 2 out of there. I hit 1. So, I just checked the resale market, and the prices are still up after release. So I'm assuming that not a lot of people hit for retail. And these are going to be some sneakers you can hold for a while, and they're probably by next year or 6 months from now, the price is going to be crazy on them. So congratulations to everybody that hit. When we get back to the house, I'll do a full review, give you my honest opinion. But until then. Alright guys, we're right back to the house, man. I'm trying my hardest not to make this video long. We do have the personal in hand. After seeing the grade school size, I did not look at my personal pair yet, but I'm super excited. So let's read it a little bit. We got Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. I don't know what that is. Baroque, brown, eraser pink and black, size 10.5. Show you guys. There we go. So let's crack into it. My box is a little beat up. Got some dents all over the place, but that's all good. Got your lot number in there. Whatever. For those that care. Quality control sticker, and these are just as nice as the grade school. So small feet gang, riverboat gang, y'all, we all got blessed. It doesn't matter whether you got big feet or small feet. These came out incredible. Now the colors can leave a lot to be desired for anybody. I know this is probably not going, let me see if I can get the tone down a little bit. tone the colors down just to get y'all to see it a little bit. Everybody might be into all of the super colors and everything that's going on these. But when I tell you guys, if you don't like the color, if you feel these in hand, bring this back down. Bring this back down. Either way, when you feel these in hand, it's next level. Like, it's extremely soft. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's suede or some type of nubuck or felt or whatever it is, but that's the best part of this sneaker. It came with my spare laces popped off, but I'm going to probably throw this color lace in these. I like to match my laces with the tongue of the sneaker. I feel like that's the best look most of the time on ones. But the sneaker itself is fire. I'm not the biggest quality snob, like, oh, the leather is stiff or is this whatever. This isn't your tradition. This isn't traditional leather anyway. This is more like a suede, and it's extremely soft. But the colors just pop. Them going crazy and doing this lime green outsole, which you probably won't be able to see on my camera, but believe me, it's like a lime green. It's fire, man. It's stepping outside the box and doing something different. I'm probably not going to do it on foot in this video. This is just pickup vlog or whatever, but I'm probably going to dedicate a video to itself just of me doing it on foot. But I just wanted to know how you guys feel about these. I know hype builds and people start wanting things that they wouldn't typically go for. I knew that I was going for these when I saw images of them, so I was going for them regardless. And like I said, I was lucky enough to hit on 4 pair. I've already got rid of 2 pair. I sent one to a subscriber, and a YouTube content creator, so he'll be making a video at some point. I'll let him do his video. I'm not even going. He can do that. Got one. I let one go here locally, and I still have a 9.5 that I'm sitting on. So then I have my own personal 10.5. So I was lucky enough to hit on 4 pair. But you know, I know some people just took all L. So that's just how it goes sometimes. I've been getting pretty lucky lately. Thankfully, I'm able to get lucky on something that I actually wanted this time, and not just giving things away for other people and family members and friends and things like that. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling and talking. I just wanted to show you guys another one of these videos on YouTube that's going to pop up on your timeline. Hopefully you watch. I want to give my opinion. Y'all let me know y'all's opinion down below. Did you hit? Did you pass? Did you even care one way or the other? Either way, I think they turned out crazy. I think it's a really, really cool sneaker. And I'll be putting this on foot, man. So till the next time. OV!